to another episode of Cooking with Dad. Today we are making ice cream and whipped cream.
Yummy, yummy. My name's Dad.
My name is Gage.
And we're going to make this ice cream for the first time. We've never tried it, but we've heard very good things about it. So let's see what we can do. So what do we do first, Gage?
We add vanilla extract in the tiny bowl.
Okay, and how much of it?
Actually, I think half.
No, we don't add half.
A drop?
1 tablespoon.
A tablespoon.
Yep. Oh, that's a teaspoon. This one right here. See the big T? See the little T? This is a teaspoon. That's a tablespoon. Okay, you ready?
Put it right there.
Here, we'll put it over the bowl. So 1 tablespoon over the bowl. All right, you want to do it?
Yeah.
All right, go slow. And you got to put this flat. Whoa.
Great.
Hold on, we'll get a little bit more.
Bro, why is that so clear?
It just is. All right, go ahead. Smell good?
That looks like alcohol.
It has alcohol in it, actually. All right.
Don't drink alcohol, kids. It's really bad for your system.
Sure is. All right, what are we making now? Or what are we adding now?
Sweetened condensed milk.
Woohoo! All right.
We need to open that with our handy dandy can opener.
Almost there. There we go. Oh, okay.
And then we have to pop that thing open. Whoa!
That is not what I thought that would look like.
It smells really good. So we dump the whole thing in here.
Yep, dump it all in there.
Bro, it's like butter. Not really butter, but it's like cake batter. It's like stacking it up.
That's pretty thick. That is a lot thicker than I thought it would be.
I thought it would be like actual milk, like really liquidy.
Just so you know, we're not professionals. We just like to have some fun and enjoy some good food. Here, let me see this for 1 second.
If you remember our waffle video, like we said, we made a huge mistake because we forgot to add the flour.
This is true.
On our first video.
We fixed it though.
Yeah, I was about to tell my dad, but then he realized we forgot to add the flour.
Yes, sir. All right. So now what do we do?
All right, then we stir it to combine.
Mm-hmm. Hold on. All right, so we're gonna mix this on low speed and get it all blended together. Go ahead. Woo, buddy.
Tell me what this.
Get it all mixed together.
Bro, it's like cake batter when we made it out my 7th birthday.
I know.
And I can't believe we wasted that cake. A little bit.
Well,
It was really good cake.
it was really good cake.
I wish I was 8.
Let me see. We'll be 8 next year.
Yeah, it's already been Halloween. Then it's gonna happen. 3 weeks until Thanksgiving. I'm like, where are we going for Thanksgiving?
How about we talk about that when we're not making a video?
I'm just asking, where are we going for Thanksgiving?
We're going to your aunt's. All right. So now, what's the? All right. So now what's next?
Next
Oh.
is
2 cups.
2 cups of the heavy whipping cream.
Heavy whipping cream. All right.
Yes.
Nope.
Tablespoon.
This. Here, I'll pour it. You pour it in. Here, you hold that. Okay.
Bro, you spilled some heavy whipping cream in there. I wonder how the heavy whipping cream smells like.
You want to smell it?
Yeah. It smells like nothing.
Yeah, it smells like it smells like the carton. All right, so 2 of these.
Ew.
Hold it tight. It's gonna get heavy.
That's really thick.
Mm-hmm. Well, they call it heavy whipped cream. All right, dump it in. Oh.
Sorry. That sounds weird.
How's it taste?
I didn't taste anything.
One more. Ready?
Ready?
Hold it flat. There we go.
Why is this so heavy?
I don't know. That's just what they call it. All right, dump her in.
Oh, that actually tastes really good. That tastes really good, but a bit. Oh, good days before. Now it's.
The aftertaste tastes like crap.
No, it tastes like tobacco for cigarettes. Don't smoke, parents or kids.
Yes, don't smoke. All right.
Or else
So
you'll probably get cancer and die.
that's a possibility. Now with this, you want to mix it for several minutes. Until when, buddy?
Then it's all spiky.
Yep, till it gets stiff. And well, I'll get it started. And it peaks. It like has little spikes.
Whoa!
Oh, we're throwing it everywhere.
It's really everywhere. It's really messy. Whoa! Really?
We just gotta do this. Think that's good? Yeah?
Yeah! Whoa, it's really thick.
All right. Now what do we do?
And then
Slowly add the vanilla.
mix with condensed milk.
Yeah. We're just making a big old mess. Here, let me see this. All right.
Remember, we are not professionals at this.
No, we are not. But you know what we are professionals at?
What?
Eating it when it's done.
Yeah. By the way, I'm asking you one question. How is our waffles from our first video? Comment down below how they taste.
Yes, please. We would love to know what you thought of the waffles.
Is this our second video?
It's our third video.
What did we make on second?
What did we make on our second video? I forget now. I'll have to go back and look.
So waffles first. I can't remember actually.
We'll remind them later. All right, so let's mix this up.
Remind us what the third video was.
Now, this is the third one.
I got second.
Woo!
It's really thick. Hot wow. Super thick.
Oh yeah. I can't wait to see what this tastes like.
Yeah, that's what's great.
Now this is the ice cream.
I want to see how that tastes.
Try it. Nope, wait. Why would you lick your finger first? You think I want to taste your spit? There you go.
Wow, that's actually really good.
That's pretty good.
Oh, God.
You okay?
Yes.
All right. I don't think that is going to fit in here.
That tastes really good.
Let's see how much of this we can get in here. Might have to get another bowl. All right. So you pour it into a freezer-safe bowl. Oh wow, it might fit.
Whoa, it's like a mountain.
Takes between 6 hours, roughly 6 hours, but it's best to just leave it overnight. That way it has all night to freeze. That all fit. I can't believe it. Where'd that thingy go? Oh, there it is. Uh-oh.
You better taste this. It's really good. I might lick the bowl when we're done with this. The whole entire bowl, actually. Probably be like vacuum cleaner. Just.
Man, that tastes good. You gonna make it?
Yes.
He's just getting over a cold or getting a cold, who knows.
No, I'm getting over a cold. I had a feeling that I have a bit of a cold.
Yep, Halloween, raining and cold. All right, fit in that container there. I don't know what size it is, or I would tell you. It doesn't say. Anyway.
It's medium.
Medium. I'm try another one.
Oh, wow. might want to lick the bowl.
We'll lick the bowl in a minute. Let's do the whipped cream now. All right, we're gonna make whipped cream now. Can't get enough, huh?
That's good.
It sure is. All right. So,
2 cups of heavy cream.
you want to do that first? Okay. So 2 cups of heavy cream. Shake it good. Shake it. Shake it good. All right. You want to pour it this time? Just pour it slow.
Hey, there's some extra.
That's okay. I can't see. Good. Slow. Slow, 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 slow. A little more. A little more. A little more. Okay. One. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. A little more.
A bop.
That's good.
Alright, then condensed milk.
Wrong card.
But that's right there. Oh! 4 tablespoons of powdered sugar. Sorry guys, wrong thing.
Wrong card.
Wrong good.
All right. Ready?
Bop, flop, scop.
How many? 4?
Yeah. I'll do the 3 other ones. Powdered sugar tastes really good. It'll probably make you think of me too much.
Do me a favor. On the counter, there is another thing of vanilla extract. It's a little bottle. So 1.
Where is that?
It's a little bottle. Doesn't look the same. There you go.
Might need another one of these.
2. Okay, you can do 3, 4. The difference between
Oh God!
the difference between the two is this is clear. You don't want your whipped cream to be a yellowish tint. Use the clear stuff.
That's good.
And again, made by McCormick's. Yep, that's good.
I think it's the guy that made baking soda.
The guy that made baking soda.
Did he
Who?
make baking?
McCormick's?
Yeah.
I don't think so. Maybe, but I don't think
This is
so.
good.
No. No, no, no.
Wait. Sorry guys, just getting over a cold.
All right, here we go. 4. Should have opened this beforehand. All right, so we need 2 teaspoons of this.
2 teaspoons of that. Can I pour?
Which one? Yep, here.
I'll pour it.
Slow. It comes out fast, remember? Huh, that's weird.
The darker side.
Yeah, pour. Slow!
Oh,
Oh, no. All right, whatever. Dump it in.
you guys don't want to miss them.
So,
Ugh. Ugh, this smells gross.
we mixed them up.
Did we fail?
No, we didn't. It'll still taste the same. It'll just be a different color. Okay, so the bigger bottle was the clear. The smaller bottle was the regular. So our ice cream will look clear and our whipped cream will look yellowish. That's okay. It tastes the same, just a different color.
Yeah, we got a must up on this one for the color of the whip.
That's okay. It doesn't taste any different. It just has a different color. All right, let's do it.
Let's mix this whipped cream.
Still licking that bowl, huh?
Make sure to like and subscribe on the video.
So I'm gonna mix it on high for a few minutes.
That'll be 2 and 3. That'll be 2 and 3.
3. A few is 3. Hey, put that on the floor, would you? Where'd you go? No. Put it down. that little bowl over there?
Yeah.
Grab that. Thank you, sir. You want to try it?
Yeah. It's good. Better than the ice cream, actually.
You think?
It's heavy.
Alright, so we're going to put this in the fridge, the ice cream in the freezer, and
We'll see you in 6 hours.
yep, see you in 6 hours.
And while we're licking the bowls of this.
Okay, enough of that. Thank you. See you soon.
Alright, it's been the next day, and here are the results of the ice cream and whipped cream.
Looking forward to trying it. How about you?
Yeah.
Alright, so we're going to dish it out. I do want to tell you guys that after it froze overnight, it got really, really, really hard. So,
Hard as a boulder.
hard as a boulder. So either let it sit out for a little bit, or in my case, I just threw it in the microwave for about 30 seconds, and now it's edible. Let's try this. Oop.
Oops.
Homemade ice cream. This is the first time I've ever had this.
I already had normal ice cream bought from Dollar General, but I want to see how this tastes.
Alright.
If you guys would taste it before you, after like 1 hour, if you want to taste it, you have to wash your hands. And yeah, because you don't want to get your parents getting sick.
Homemade whipped cream. Let's try this out.
It's like fluffy slime.
Fluffy slime. Hopefully it tastes better than fluffy slime. Alright, you ready?
Whatever. Here we go. If you guys want to play any delicious toppings like sprinkles, wait, do we have any sprinkles?
We do not. I should have bought some, but I didn't.
If you guys have sprinkles, you should put it on there with the cherry on top.
Yes, sir. Alright, we're going to try this for the first time. It's the first time eating homemade whipped cream and homemade ice cream. Tell me what you think, Gage.
That's good.
That's pretty good. I like it. So, you guys saw how easy that was? I'll put the instructions in the description below. Like and subscribe. What else you got to say?
Click the notification button.
Click the notification button. And we hope you enjoyed the video. Enjoy the ice cream if you decide to make it. And we'll see you next time. Say bye.
Bye.
You might want to look at the camera when you say it.
Bye.
Bye.